More than 23 lakh COVID vaccine doses have become vaccine wastage in the country so far. Now, this is a matter of concern at a time when COVID cases are again increasing in some states in the country. The center has provided more than 7 crore vaccine doses to different states, and out of this, over 3.46 crore have been administered. Around 6.5% of COVID vaccines have been wasted as per health officials. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed concerns and disappointments over COVID-19 vaccine wastage in the country. PM Modi said, there should be daily monitoring, more beneficiaries should be mobilized to stop wastage. States must target zero wastage of vaccines, unquote. So what is vaccine wastage and how can it be reduced and curbed? Now, vaccine wastage is an expected result of any kind of vaccination and inoculation drive, and every estimated dose of vaccine comes with an estimated wastage. Let me tell you that vaccine wastage is the direct result of vaccine usage in the country. Let me give you an example of vaccine wastage. Let's consider this scenario. So a vial contains doses for 10 people to be vaccinated, but only 5 of them come to get the vaccine dose at the given time and place. Then the rest goes to waste. And that is what is known as vaccine wastage. How is vaccine wastage defined in technical terms? The vaccine wastage rate is 100 minus the vaccine usage rate. This wastage rate decides the wastage factor. There are set guidelines and methods given by the government to calculate and determine the wastage factor. But how does vaccine wastage happen? Generally, it happens in two ways. First is wastage in sealed vials and second is wastage in open vials. Okay, let's talk about it one by one. Vaccines wastage in closed or sealed vials happen because of around 6 reasons as per reports. In situations when the expiry date is over, vaccine is exposed to heat, if it has frozen, when breakage happens, or when it is lost or stolen. This also happens at the time of throwing unused vials that have come back from the vaccination site. Now let me tell you about wastage that occurs in cases of open vials. Here in this case also, there are around 5 reasons for the vaccine wastage as per reports. That happens at the time of throwing vaccine doses at the end of a session. Second, we're not being able to draw the number of doses in a vial. Third, due to the submergence of open vials in the water, and due to other reasons like contamination and poor vaccine administration activities and practices. Are there any other reasons also for the vaccine wastage? Well, yes, there are some other reasons also for vaccine wastage, like lack of paper training of vaccinators in drawing vaccines from multi-dose vials are one of the other reasons for it. One more reason for the high amount of vaccine wastage is lack of detailed and proper planning at vaccination centers and sites. Operational guidelines say that each vaccine session has to ensure 100 beneficiaries, but that's not the case in less populated areas. Some media reports are suggesting that different states are being asked to mobilize people and not open the vial if they don't have more than 10 beneficiaries. Now, in this context, there is an absolute necessity of detailed planning as per media reports. How serious and big is the problem of vaccine wastage? Reports tell you that about 6.5% of the COVID-19 vaccine doses are becoming vaccine wastage in India. Official figures say several states have shown higher levels of wastage than even the national average. Let's look at some of the states with higher vaccine wastage. Telangana lost 17.6%, Andhra Pradesh lost 11.6%, Uttar Pradesh 9.4%, Karnataka lost 6.9 vaccine shots. And Jammu and Kashmir incurred a vaccine wastage of 6.6%. Now, if you have noticed, these 4 states and union territory have the figures that are more than the national average of vaccine wastage. There are some other states that have shown lower vaccine wastages than the national average. For example, Rajasthan has 5.6%, Assam 5.5%, Gujarat 5.3%, West Bengal 4.8%, Bihar 4%, Tamil Nadu 3.7%, among others. What has PM Modi said on this? PM Modi said the states have to examine why the vaccine is being wasted, and there has to be a mechanism where every evening this is being monitored. The states have to immediately correct the drawbacks of planning and governance at the local level to reduce vaccine wastage. He also said the states have to target 0% wastage, unquote.